You have been just watching there the update on the coronavirus in the Gambia by the health minister in the ministry in Banjul, and we will go live to Banjul and of course talk to our man on the ground, Ibrahima Prespa. Ibrahima, the minister just conclude the daily press briefing on the coronavirus situation in the Gambia. The probable case still not yet confirmed.
Indeed, no new cases confirmed after the 3 cases confirmed during the week. There is no additional case out of 53 tests that all proved negative. So according to the minister, the second case that was confirmed in the country happened to be in connection to the probable case which is yet to be released. So that is a Bangladeshi national who, contracted with the late man who died on Sunday. We tested first time. The results were not clear because initially it was said to be positive. Confirmatory results said he tested negative. So now the second test is being conducted on that Bangladeshi man who visited the Gambia via Senegal. So the minister is still hoping that in hours to come, the confirmation will be done by the ministry.
Well, the Honorable Minister also shed light on the 500 million pledged by government. What more can you tell us about that?
Indeed, when it comes to the statistics as to number of cases, number of tests, number of confirmed cases, I mean, the ministry with its own satellite institutions, including the directorates to the top brass in the office of the minister, they are all in line. But when it comes to the money, figures about money, there is no news is coming because the minister has just told us that he cannot tell as to how much has been spent so far. We remember on the 17th March when the president addressed the nation, he said that money will be done and he empowered the minister to execute that. Today, the minister will tell us that quarantine centers have been paid for, procurement is going on, and there are also a lot of spending going on, but they cannot tell us at the moment how much spent so far.
All right. The issue of public gathering has been a big concern for many, and the minister yet again urged Gambians to be more cautious.
Exactly. Institutions are still operating. Government officials, government offices are functional. We know the one like the National Assembly closed earlier on, including also the Truth, Reconciliation and Reparation Commission. These are few institutions who shut down transmission, but the rest are definitely operating. So now the concern is as to what measure is in place to enforce the social distancing at work, since these institutions, both government and non-government, continue to go to work. So what measure is being taken? What are the sanitary equipment given to them? What are the coping gears that the workers are having for now? What is being provided by the ministry? Disinfecting a case like spraying grounds and disinfecting work appliances. These are all questions that the minister continued to say that it is left to the people to definitely observe social distancing while at work. But how, that question was not clear today.
Now, finally, we understand the president is going to address the nations later tonight. What can we expect from his message?
This will be the second time the President Adama Barrow will face the nation since the outbreak of coronavirus in the Gambia. We remember on the 17th March, he gave a televised address via the national broadcaster GRTS, where he, outlined some measures, banned public gathering also, and then advised people to adhere to the advices from health technicians. So today will be his second time, and the nation is all ears to him. Whether he will bring information different from what the minister has just said to the media today is not yet clear, but whatever the case is, Gambians are anticipating that President Barrow will bring goodwill message to the Gambian, especially at a time when 3 cases have been confirmed. 1 probable case is on the offing. So President Barrow will be listened to, and iAfrica will feature the live broadcast later 8 o'clock today.
All right. Thank you very much, Ibrahima, for your update live from the ministry in Banjul.